In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to install Farmart. Farmart is a single or multi-vendor Laravel eCommerce system. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase scripts to go live. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. So from my cPanel, I go to files, then under it I go to my file manager. So the subdomain I'm using is this. So let me click on it. Next, I'm going to click on upload. So it's uploading. So after uploading, then next I'm going to extract it. I right click on it, then click on extract files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if this video is helpful, please use the buy me coffee in the description to buy me a coffee. So next I'm going to click on close. Next, after extracting it, I open the file. That's the folder. Select all. Then I'm moving them to the root folder. I'm moving it to the root folder. Move files. Then next I click on up one level again. Now I've successfully move everything to my root folder. After that, I will go back to my cPanel to create my database. I go to databases. Under it I go to manage my databases. So let me name my database as this. Then I click on create database. Then next I click on go back. So I have successfully created my database. Next I'm going to create the user. Let me name the user as this. So next I click on create user. So next I click on go back again. I've successfully created my user. Created my database. I've created my user. Next I'm going to add the user to my database. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. So let me scroll down. Yes. Okay, it has selected it for me automatically. Selected this as well. So I click on add. I give up privileges. Then scroll down to make changes. So I successfully link my user to my database. Next, let me go and copy my subdomain name. I open a new tab. Place it there, then click on enter. Yes, I click on let's go. So it is English already. configure environment. Okay, let me say this, the name of the app, that's Farmart. Okay, my URL, yes. So database name, let me go and copy my database name. Let me go back and confirm. Okay, here is it, the same is correct. So let me copy my username. Database username. Then next I click on install. So let me configure the account. Let me say first name, let me say admin, last name admin, username admin at example.com. Then I click on create. Okay, it's giving me error here. So I click on create. So install finish. Let me click on go to admin dashboard. Let me just click on, okay, let me click on get started. Let me see what's going to happen. I'm not customizing it here. Let me just close it. So here's my dashboard. I have successfully installed my scripts, as you can see. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.